Hey guys, it's Matthew here, and we're on our fourth video of the Python learning program that I'm doing. So today we're going to be doing PygLatin, which is the next section. Um, well, we learned so far. This is just a final thing. So we're building a Latin translator today. So break it down. Now let's take what we've learned so far and write a PygLatin translator. I guess that's what it. Yeah, okay, that's what it means. PygLatin is a language game where you move the first letter of the word to the end and add a. So Python becomes Ython pay. To write a PygLatin translator in Python, here are the steps we'll need to take. Ask the user to input a word in English. Make sure the user entered a valid word. Convert the word from English to PygLatin, display the translation result. So that's what we're doing. So ahoy, or should I say ahoy, ahoye. Let's warm up by printing a welcome message to our translator users. Please print the word PygLatin. Print PygLatin. What part of this will be fun? Making this kind of game. This would be kind of weird. Welcome to PygLatin Translator. Start coding here. Okay. So, okay. Next, we need to ask for the user for an input. Name equals raw underscore input. What's your name? Print name. In the above example, raw input accepts a string, prints it, and then waits for the user to type something and press enter or return. In the interpreter, Python will ask, what's your name? Once you type in your name and hit enter, it will be stored in name. On line 4, use raw underscore input slash this, and then enter a word space. To ask the user into a word, save the results as raw input, a variable called original. Return. Okay, so what does it want us to do? Like original equals raw underscore input, and then with these. Is that what it wants? Okay, get a hint. Oh, I get it. Original equals raw input. Run. That is still wrong. But it says call it original. So variable name? Yeah, original. Am I spelling this wrong? That's what it said to do. Let's see what the solution is. Did I just do it on the wrong? I did it on the wrong line. That's stupid. Oh, that is really, really ridiculous. Enter a word, so just pun. Let's just go with that. Next, we need to ensure that the user actually types something. Empty string equals, this is the if and then statement. If len empty string is greater than 0, run this block. We print something. Else is that string must have been empty. We can check that the user string actually has characters. Write an if statement that verifies that the string has characters. Original is greater than 0. Don't forget the whatever at the end of the if statement has some characters in it. Print the user's word. Otherwise, else statement print this. You will want to run your code multitasking an empty string and a string with characters. When you're commenting your code works, you need to the next exercise. Okay, so we're just doing wait, underscore. I think we're just printing this equals if len original is greater than 0. If it's this, print print original. Wait. Original. Wait. Wait. Let's see if this is a if we're turning into a string from variable str of original, I believe. I think that's how you do it. No, wait. Let's see if this works. I'm learning here, you guys, so give me a break. Then else is what does it want us to do if it's else? Print empty. Yeah, no. That's not gonna work. String of original. Let's see if that works. Line 7. Equals original run. Still not right. Let's see if this original print. Oh, okay, so you can just put it there as that. Okay, that's fine. I didn't think that would work. I completely forgot about that. Okay, next one. Check yourself some more. Now we have to have an empty string. Let's be even more though and check that our string only contains letters. Consider the following code. Is alpha. I don't get that. In the first line, we create a string with letters and numbers. Second line then runs the method dot this whatever this thing is, which returns false since the string contains non-letter characters. You can use this to check that the string doesn't contain any non-letter characters. For example, whatever. Use and to add a second condition to your if. Statement. In addition to your existing check that the string contains characters, you should also use .isalpha to make sure that it only contains letters. And what? Wait. Okay, wait. Do we? So we just do dot isalpha parentheses. Is that how we do it? I guess. Don't forget to keep the colon at the end of the if statement. Yes. Okay, I don't understand what's wrong with that because they aren't telling me what's wrong with that. Original. Okay, that's so you add this to the code. That's what happens. You add it to the variable here. That's how you get to. That's how you check if it has only letters or something like that. If it has no numbers in it. Pun 2. See, that's how it goes. Okay. Next. Pop quiz. When you finish one part of your program, it's important to test it multiple times using a variety of inputs. Take some time to test your code. Try some inputs that should pass and some that should fail. Enter some strings that contain non-alphabetical letters and an empty string. When you convince your code is ready to go, click the next. Okay, run. So first, let's go with a regular word like fun. It worked. Now let's run it again. Let's do like 789 empty. Let's run it again. Let's do a funny 7. It's empty again. Let's run it again, and then let's do this last one with like special letters. It's empty again. So that's how you do that. Now we can get ready to start translating to PygLatin. Let's review the rules for translation. You move the first letter of the word to the end and then append the suffix a, example, Python, whatever. Let's create a variable to hold our translation suffix. Create a variable called pyg and set it equal to the a suffix. A. That's what they want to do. Next, let's simplify things by making the letters in our word lowercase. Hello, string hello. The string equals the string dot lower. Yeah, you remember the lower and the upper and stuff. Lower function for the string itself, so lowers the lowercase version. The example above, whatever. Grab the first letter of the word. We also need to grab the first letter. First letter is 0. Remember, it always starts with 0 instead of 1. It always starts with 0. That it started 0. That's what it's saying. Instead, inside our if statement, create a new variable called word that holds the dot lower case conversion of original. Create a new variable called first that holds word 0, the first letter of word. Okay. So it wants us to make a new variable called enter. Do we put that like right here? Let me just put it here and let's see if it works. But let's do like word equals original dot lower on whatever. I think that's it. And then create a variable called first that holds the word 0. Let's see if it can go right here. So first equals word brackets. Oh wait, that's wrong kind of brackets. Okay, those. And it's 0. Word 0. Okay, so let's see if it works there. Let's do it like, let's copy and paste this right here so we don't screw with the coding right here. Run. Enter a word. Funny. Enter. Let's do this differently. And then let's do a print, because this is why it's weird. Word. And then funny. That's why it's kind of weird. It's because we're not having the print word specifically, because they changed variables from original, and this one just wants to print original. Move it on back. Now that we have the first letter stored, we need to add both the letter and the string and the PYG to the end of another string. Remember how to concatenate, whatever, add strings together? Yeah. Okay. Wait. Okay. New line after where you created the first variable. Create a new variable called new underscore word. New. Let me turn off caps lock. Underscore word equals word plus first plus PYG. Let's see if that works. Funny fin. Okay, apparently it works. Since we still don't have the okay. Yep. Ending up. Well done. However, now we have the first letter showing up both at the beginning and near the end. First, we create a variable s and give it the string Charlie. Next, we access the first letter Charlie using s0. Remember the letter, okay, and we access the slice Charlie using s1 to 4. This returns everything from the letter at position 1 up till position 4. Okay. Slice the string just like in the third example above. Okay. Set new word equal to the slice at the first index all the way to the end of the new word. Okay. So now we're doing new underscore word is equal to isn't it new word is equal to so what do we do something like this 1 colon len parentheses new word new underscore word. Okay, run. Okay, apparently that's wrong. Let's just get rid of this space here and see if that works. Okay, that's still wrong. Let's see. Okay, they fixed what mine was. My early ones, apparently. Lower first. Okay, we got rid of the print. That's what it was all about. They didn't really care about the print. New word. Okay, this is how you do it. Oh, okay, I understand. Okay, it's just because I didn't put the new word command in there. Let's just do like Finland. Okay, it didn't do anything. Right. Can't really do anything about that. Okay, so next thing. Testing is this thing on. Yay, you should have a fully functioning PygLatin translator. Test your code thoroughly to be sure everything is working smoothly. You also want to take out any print statements you're having to help debug intermediate steps of your code. That's why they had it be taken out. Making sure your code is clean, commented, and fully functional is just as important as writing in the first place. When you're sure your translator is working just the way you want it, click Run Code to finish the project. And see, this is where you put print new underscore word. See, that's why. Run. Antarctica. I hope that's how you spell it. That's it. Okay, that's it. Why do I feel like this is one of the dumbest games I've ever seen before? I've never heard of the PygLatin. Sorry guys, I've never heard of it, so it's kind of one of the stupidest things I've ever heard of. Up next. Okay. Next is the area calculator. Okay. It's time to build fluency in Python fundamentals. And this is just another calculator thing. Let's see. We might be doing this next episode. Yep, we're doing this next episode, guys. Sorry, that's just way too long for the amount of time I want my videos to be. Okay, so see you guys later. Bye. Next time we're going to be doing the area calculator thing. So, see you next time, you guys. Bye.